Ramesh, after completing his second year pre-university, he went to his village for vacations. When he went to vacation, he saw a girl working in somebody other's place. He asked why is doing that, why is she doing that, and she told that no, I wanted education, but my parents are not supporting me for education, but all my brothers are educated. Why? He asked why they are doing like that. She told that in our village nobody supported girls' education. Then he uh, uh, went to his her parents, told about importance of girls' education, and then he informed about government policies such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, and then he uh, uh, went successful in educating that girl, and he awarded all the village people and
Friends, I observed there are two kids in the scene in a construction site. So the protagonist of my story is Abhishek, who is a 25-year-old contractor. So he goes to his construction site to check whether everything is going fine. So he enters along with his managers and starts inspecting everything. And he sees there are two kids working and lifting up bricks and all. He immediately calls both of them and asks what are they doing? Are they being forced to do it? So the kids told him that their parent wants them to work so they can earn more. And so he immediately asked the manager, it's not allowed, and why are you allowing these kids to work over here? So the manager said the parents are forcing him to work. So he called their parents and explained to them that education is the correct way to live a better life. And but the parents were consistent that they don't have money to send the students to school. So Abhishek from his own side took the kids and bought them school dress, books and bags and all, and got them admission to a nearby government school. And he told the manager to not allow kids to work in the site.
Friends, the picture basically consists of two characters, one male and one female. Rahul is the main character, where Rahul was after finishing his job, he was going to his place, nearby passing through a nearby place, where he saw two children who were working in the place of the construction board. He went and communicated with the contractor where the two children were working there. He just asked them why are these two children working there. He said that they are working for money because they don't have any background for them so that they can study, so that they have an education for them. And he just gave the awareness that child labor is a punishable offense, and took them and made them join them in a nearby Anath ashram so that they get a better future and better education in the future. And he created awareness among the people that child labor is very punishable offense, so that in the society and in the society with this there is child labor decreasing in a little bit rate in the society. Thank you.
Friends, from this picture I have seen two characters. One is Ivan and his elder sister. Friends, Ivan was a student of 12th who finished his studies in school, and he was also wanted to study in the college, and as his family is not couldn't afford his education, and his family wants he and also his younger sister to work in a factory for daily wages. But Ivan strictly opposed it, and he went out for daily wages, part-time job, and he himself makes his money for his own studies. And he also didn't allow his sister to work in a factory, and he made his sister also to study in the government school. And with his full effort and hard working, he also made his sister educated, and he himself got educated and got a job and made his family happy. Thank you.
Friends, I assumed three characters in this picture. One, the leading character of my story is Bharat. Bharat is a member of NGO who was going for a morning walk. While going for the walk, he saw two children working in a building construction area. And he went to the children and asked what is the problem, what's the reason they were working. When he found that the children are orphan, he came to know that the children are orphan. They are working for their meal of food daily. The building contractor forces them to do more work and only he provides a meal of food for them. Also he came to know that the children are very much interested in education. They want to study. So he, as a member of NGO, he informed the higher officials, and with the help of others, he adopted 2 children and provided them education shelter. Then later he realized that a lot of children are suffering by this problem. So he and his friends and started an orphanage home where he can make a lot of children who can give shelter and provide them education. Thank you.
Friends, as I have perceived 2 characters in this picture, my hero of my story is Rohan. Rohan was a good student in his school and he studied in a government school. Though he was also aware of his family conditions, as his father was a daily wage worker in a construction site. Being aware of his family problems, he really worked and studies hard. He also wanted to assist his father in work whatever he did. On his holidays, he went with his father along with his sister. So he suddenly noticed that while working, his father developed a backache. And when he asked the manager for a leave, though manager agreed but didn't agree for the payment for that day, this made his father worry. And the Rohan, being aware of the problem that his father is facing, along with his sister, worked for that day and completed the work that his father was supposed to complete. And this made his father happy and got the wages. And Rohan noticed that father was not earning enough. This made him to work. He made up his mind to work upon whenever he had a free time and on his holidays, so that he could earn enough and also earn his pocket money, and that he gave a good family support to his father, and his father was very happy for his act and cooperation. Thank you.
Friends, according to my pursuit, the main character in the story is Vishnu, who was a graduate in the rural development program. He went on to countryside as a program of rural development project. He saw 2 children were doing work in the fields. He asked them why we don't do enter school. They replied that in our village we don't have a free education after 7th class. Then he went to the Panchayat office and informed that we should provide facilities to study the children. And he saw that many farmers are working more time in providing fields for water and spending a lot of time. And he told them the importance of the irrigation system and other. And he collected some money from his fans and introduced the demo models of irrigation system of irrigation.
Friends, from the picture I perceive there are 2 characters, one male and a female. My protagonist of the story is a male, Rohit, who is a 21-year-old student who was visiting their parents on a holiday. Rohan noticed that around his neighborhood, all the people were throwing garbage near each other's house, and there was no proper system of separating garbages and as well as taking care of the garbage. So Rohit took help from his sister, and they got a drum and they started dumping the garbage in that drum. His neighbors inquired about this situation, about what Rohit was doing. Rohit explained his neighbors that the harmful effects of throwing garbage near their house and how it can affect their health and as well as their pets' health. All his neighbors understood the practicality of the situation and helped him achieve his goal. And after that, he informed the nearby public works department to take care of the dumping drum so that they can put more garbage every day. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I perceive 2 characters, one female and one male. The protagonist of my story is Gautam, who is a 17-year-old boy who completed his 12th standard and is waiting for his results. He is in a spot on which course he has to choose. He helps his family in the agricultural field his family owns,
And one day he hears his mother saying to him that they are not getting a good yield in the crops which they plant and there is a scarcity of water. He then decides to choose the agricultural course and he gets good marks in his 12th standard. He joins a reputed institution for agriculture, excels in it and does some research on it. He comes back to his village and creates awareness in the neighboring villages and in his also about drip irrigation system, the higher, better yielding varieties of seeds in every plant. The farmers are benefited and they thank Gautam for his effort and hard work. He later becomes the agriculture officer, fortunately for his own village, and helps them further. Thank you.
So friends, in that picture I saw few children doing some sort of work. So in my story, the central character is Ganesh. Ganesh is a lawyer who is moving to a city for his job. While traveling, he sees that in some slum area, there are few children who are working in construction site. And Ganesh is shocked that there are child labor is offensive and it is still happening. So he went to the construction manager and spoke about that. And construction manager casually replied that the parents only send them to work. He also enquired the parent, and the parents said that they were poor and they needed money. But Ganesh convinced them and said that children are meant to be educated and not to be sent to work. And he also gave them education. He joined them in government schools, and he also filed a case that in some areas there are child labor happening. And he also created awareness among people that child labor is punishable offense. Thank you.
Friends, in my story, in the picture, I perceive two figures.
Little louder.
Friends, in the picture, I perceive two characters, one male and one female. Their age is around 10 to 12 years. They all are working. Rahul is the main character in my story. He was on his evening walk when he saw two children working in the construction site. On further investigation, he found that there are many children who are working in the construction site and asked the manager about this problem. The manager told them that the parents are forcing their children to work in the construction site and earn some wages. On asking the parents what is the status and why they are not sending their children to school, the parents said that they are poor and they want some money to send them. So Rahul took the initiative and sent the children to the nearest government school and also told the police about the situation. And he created the awareness nearby places and asked the manager to not allow children in the construction area as it is happening.
Friends, in my story I have pursued two characters, and the hero of my story is an IAS officer by name Akshay. He had an habit to pay a visit to the temple every day. For a couple of days he observed two children selling the flowers on the outskirts of the temple. On observing it, he went to them and asked why are they selling and why aren't they going to school. They said that they were orphan and they have to earn their own food. So he immediately joined them to Anath Ashram and gave them the suitable education, and he also called his subordinates and to take the actions regarding these aspects are in the city. And as a result, the child labor in the city came down.
Good morning, friends. In the picture, I perceived two characters who are classmates, and my protagonist was Roshan. Roshan was a student in the school pursuing 10th standard. Regarding his science project, his teacher gives him a project regarding the importance of the plantation and the forest to the world. So then he immediately initiates the plan and the project with the help of his friends and pour the soil around surrounding the school and plant his saplings there. So he grows the plantation and he tells the importance of the plantation and forest to the whole school, and he was awarded and he was appreciated by the teachers. So thank you.
Friends, in my story, Manu is the main character who was appointed as a district collector, and after taking charge, he comes across a construction site and he is shocked by seeing that the two children are working in that site hardly, and by noticing that he inquired about other laborers in that site, and they
they said that the children have no parents and they are died 2 years ago, and and their uncle is the contractor of that working site, and he forced there to work in that site for their live. And as a with the power of character, Manu taken action to that contractor, and he gives the money and other facilities to the children for their future education and friends.